Hello and welcome to Living in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm Evan Deal with the Lead Icon team in eXp Realty, and today we are in Maple Trails by Arbor Homes. This community sits in Pendleton, Indiana, and it's super affordable, but the houses are spectacular. You're gonna wanna see that in just a second. But before we get that, if you like new builds, if you like Pendleton, if you like Indianapolis, leave a like on this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you're kept in the loop on everything happening in and around Indianapolis, the Circle City we love and call home. Now let's go check out this beautiful home. All right, today we are touring the Juniper, which makes sense because it's Arbor Homes. So all the homes are named after trees. So let's check out this beautiful Juniper. All right. Clear sight lines, front to back. You know I love clear sight lines, so we are starting out in the right place. Check it out, right off to the side is your main floor bathroom, little powder room up front. Perfect for your guests if you're entertaining. Kept well away from everything else, so it's tucked in the corner of the house. Don't have to hear anything. All right, let's take a walk up this entry hall. It's a really nice entry hall, very spacious, good high ceilings, and to store all your coats off to the side, you've got that. And you have plenty of space to entertain in this house. It's under 2,000 square feet. It's not like 1,700 plus square feet, but it feels very, very spacious. So check this out. Here is your main area. Why does it feel spacious? Because of how open this open concept is. So look around me. Does this look like a small living room? Absolutely not. They got the nice sectional in here, got the nice alarm and smart thermostat here too, all your smart home needs. Got the probably a smart TV hooked up even, everything's smart here. So, and you'd be smart to check this out with me. Anyway, living room looks great. I mean, there's really no complaints. This is one big flow. And check out the kitchen behind me. Dining area, kitchen, massive island. You know I love a massive island because you gotta prep, you're cooking somewhere and you don't wanna be banging into people while you do it. Off to the side here, you got a little storage closet with some plumbing, no biggie. And then I think we're locked out of the garage. Let's check it out. Oh, there's stuff in there. I'm not going in there. It's a 2-car garage. Nothing too crazy to write home about, but a place to park your cars and store your stuff. All right, check out this kitchen with me. So what do we got? We got stainless steel appliances, check. Fridge, sink, dishwasher, microwave, oven and range. Looks like, what are we doing? Induction? Yeah, I think it's an induction. Looks great. And of course, in the corner, you got your corner pantry. What do you get with a corner pantry? You get additional space. That's what you get. So it's looking great. I mean, how much, what food are you gonna store there? Comment below with the food that you're gonna store in your pantry. Is it gonna be cereal, macaroni? I don't know, you tell me. Okay, check it out. I told you this is a more affordable community than a lot of the ones we look at. This is a wow factor for this price level of house. Check out coffee bar off to the side. I always talk about, are you gonna bump into people in your kitchen? If you're bumping into people in your kitchen is too small or it's poorly laid out. Check this out. Plenty of space for your coffee maker or whatever special devices you want. Off to the side here. You don't have to bump into people over here by the oven or wherever else. And then check it out. Massive island. Given the square footage of this home, you would think they would skimp on the island. They did not skimp on the island. This thing is a monster in the best way possible. Even has room for the under counter seating, which gives you additional space. I told you this is under 2,000 square feet, and yet it doesn't feel like it because of smart decisions like this. You have additional seating here. You, of course, have your dining area right here. You could even fit a bigger table here. They've staged it with a smaller one, but you have options. So if you want to entertain in this house, this open space is perfect for it. Maybe you're throwing a kid's birthday party. Maybe you're throwing your own birthday party, or maybe you're just throwing a party. However you want to party, this house has the space for it. So this island is like the United Kingdom of islands. It's huge. All right. They even have this like big shelving unit. You can put a hutch here. There's plenty of space in here. Am I belaboring the point too much? There's plenty of space. And check out this addition. This is an option, but if you listen to me, it's not an option, it's a mandatory. Check this out. Sunroom, morning room, whatever you want to call it, right off to the side. These are beautiful. They add dimension to your house and they seriously, seriously increase the space. So if you don't have this, then you would just be slapping a wall right where I'm standing. And you don't want to cut me off with a wall. I'd be cut in half. We don't want that. You want all this additional space. You could put a playroom here. You could put music room. You could put just a sitting room like they have it to sit and read or scroll TikTok forever or whatever you want to do. Check out, you got a pad outside. Throw your grill out there so you can cook for all your delicious meals in the summer, or if you want to freeze in the winter, that's fine too. We are in Indy after all. No, we're not. We're in Pendleton, just northeast of Indianapolis. While I'm heading upstairs, let me tell you about Pendleton, because we've talked about Pendleton on this channel, and Arbor Homes is investing in Pendleton because there are 2 communities here, and we cover them both. Of course, we have Maple Trails where we are, and we have Hunsinger Farm. So with that, you have new build options, and a lot of the models you can build here, you can also build there. Right here, we are right next to one of the elementary schools here in South Hancock schools. So if you're looking to have a really short commute to elementary, Maple Trails, good option. The other community, I would say, is an even larger community. They're both pretty big, but here there you have, you're gonna be a little bit closer to the high school. So you're not too far away from anything in Pendleton. It's a relatively small town. Now, that being said, schools are good. Check them out. The top 3rd in the state. Check out the rankings on likeaniche.com. We are here in the loft area. Beautiful loft, tons of space, great hangout area. And then right off the loft, you have your primary bedroom. So check this out. A lot of space. It's a really nice area. So with this primary bedroom, you've got plenty of space for your furniture, plenty of space to unwind. Right now, I'm gonna pop into the ensuite where you've got nice double shower, not a single stall, nice double vanity, and little wall to separate your toilet. Not a throne room, but a little wall. So I mentioned the price point. This home is gonna run you around $350,000 with all the upgrades they have in here. You can see it looks really nice in here. There's tons of lighting. There's cans in the ceiling. There's tons of natural lighting. But you can get homes in this community starting in like the $270,000 range, which is just crazy. That's below the median home price in Pendleton, and we're talking brand new homes. So, hey, check it out with me. Contact information below. Here's your primary closet. Now, to me, this one's a little smaller than a lot of other ones we've seen, but there may be options in this model or different models you can look at within, the selection here at Maple Trails. So that one would definitely need finished out to maximize your storage. Right up to the side, you do have additional storage here though, which nice laundry room. You got space up top for folding or baskets. Then you pop down the hallway and you've got bedroom number 2. Good sized bedroom, good sized bed in here. So the bed's actually taking up a lot of space in here, but it's a bigger bed than I probably put like a smaller bed in here, like full size. But what's not small at all is this closet space. Look at that. Boom. 2 walls, full walk-in, plenty of storage. And then off to the side here, this is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. We've seen a bath and a half. Well, here's the other bath. You got your vanity, you got your toilet, and you got your bath shower combo. So normal upstairs bathroom, right off the bedrooms. And of course, off to the side here, you got your mechanicals as well, looking clean and crisp. Don't underestimate the value of new mechanicals. And new builds, they can save you a lot of money that way in the long run. And here's bedroom number 3. I said it's a 3 and 2.5. Well, here's the number 3. Good looking bedroom. They got it staged as a young kid's room. That's a cool bed. My bed was not that nice when I was a kid. I had a very normal bed. And then of course, what little kid's room isn't complete with a giant closet? No, just kidding, but a perfect place for toys or clothes or whatever you want to store in there. So yeah, pretty simple layout today here at Maple Trails. They have 2 models here, but this is the model that you can build. The other one is all done. This model is still popping though. And do you like the juniper? Let me know below. This is a burgeoning community and Arbor Homes are flying off the handle here in Pendleton. as Pendleton's population continues to grow steadily over time. We're looking at about 6,500 estimated in 2025. That's up from 4,800 just in 2020. That's only 5 years, 1,700 people. Percentage-wise, that's a massive growth. And a lot of the new folks moving to Pendleton are moving to these new build communities because the homes are so nice. The options are varied. You have a lot of inputs available, upgrades available in what you're building, and the get-in price is great. You know, it's $270 is not far above the median home price for Indianapolis. In Pendleton, it's actually well below the median home price. So, I mean, the starting price, that's hard to beat for an area. And even the upgrades we see in here, getting this model, which is normally $300,000, about up to $350,000. That's right in line with the median home price in Pendleton. So it's, I mean, what is there to lose? Get a brand new house for the median home price? I like it. This community also features walking trails, no playground because there's an elementary school next door. But there's a lot to love here and a lot of opportunity in Pendleton. So if you like what you see, leave a like on this video. It really, really helps. And tell your friends, hit the subscribe button, tell your friends to subscribe too. And you can subscribe together and then comment on all the videos. Tell me what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, where you want me to go. Is this the community? And a community doesn't work without two-way conversation. With that, I'm Evan Deal with Elite Icon Team in eXp Realty. And if you're looking to make your move, all my contact information is below. I can't wait to work with you and help you find the perfect place, whether that's in Pendleton, Indianapolis, or anywhere else across central Indiana. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you soon.